So this is the Tai Chi short form part 2, Yang style. Last time on part 1, we did the commencement of Tai Chi. We brought our arms up, went down, I turned over, dropped my stance, let's turn the ball over, step forward, turn the ball over to the left, and now we're going to get into part 2, which is called ward off. So we're going to come forward with my heel, drop my stance down, and come out. I'm going to come in and then go out. So never mind the foot motion right now. Let's just do this for a minute. Just take it out and across. An elbow and across. Take it over and across. Take it over and across. Okay, so we did the beginning of the commencement. Arm came up, goes down, and I went over to the side, drop my stance on the toe. Take it over in the heel, roll the ball over, and then we're going to step out to the left. Take it out. Take it in, and then we go out. Good. Let's do that again. So we're at the side here. We're going to step forward. Drop the stance down and go left, over. Take it across, under the elbow, and over. Again, going down, left side, over. Step forward, roll the ball over, drop down, and we come out to the side. Left side, right arm underneath, step forward on the right. Now, it's kind of an interesting motion because Tai Chi is both moving meditation, but it's also a martial art. So when the arm goes out here, I'm actually grabbing someone's arm and I'm taking it out. Over, and I'm going out. Take it over and take it out. Now, let me just show you the reverse of this. I'm going to turn around because it's a little confusing when I'm facing towards you. So as we're going through this, we're going to start coordinating our breath with the motion, making our breath as long as the motion. We're thinking a lot of things is starting out slow and then building up speed. With Tai Chi, we start out a little bit faster and then we start to slow it right down. So next time we're going to start on part 3.